potatoes. Today we're gonna be making Easter pancakes. And before we get started, smash that thumb up and start to mention on so you can be part of my unicorn baking channel. The ingredients you need is vanilla powder, almond nuts powder, eggs, a mixing bowl, a giant spoon that's bigger than my eye, a fork that cut out an egg, and an Easter bunny, a spatula to flip the pancake, and a sprayer to spray the pancake, a macadamia oil that goes in. And we have a pan right here so you guys know. Now let's get started. First, we're going to take a big mixing bowl and we're going to get 2 eggs out of an egg container. 1, 2. You didn't think I could do that, did you? I'm washing my hands right now because I'm scared of eggs. Next, we're gonna take a vanilla powder and we're gonna get 2 scoops of the vanilla powder. I'm measuring it also because you don't want too much. 1 and 2. That's like a mountain. I can see the date. Now we're gonna take almond nut flour. I'm gonna do 2 scoops of this, like we did 2 scoops of this. 1. I spilled a little, but that's okay because I can clean it up. Now we're gonna take our fork and we're going to stir it up. I'm first getting all the eggs in. And then, see, it's kind of like dough because you want to get all the eggs first before. Now, we are going to go over to the sink again so we can get some water. Even though we did all the eggs in there, now we want to pour the water so it isn't as dry. Next, we are going to spray the pan with macadamia oil. Now I'm going to turn on the real top. Now I'm going to spoon some of the pancakes thing into the pan without touching the pan. Yay! I ruined 2 of them, but that's okay because one of them is a taco, and that means I don't have to do that one. So it's an Easter taco, and I did this one perfectly. Now I am going to pour the rest of the batter into one big one to the pan. So let's see if I can do it. that one up. Now we're going to take the hot pudding pancakes over to the table. And now we're going to do the cutout. I took out a cutting board so I can put the pancake on there to do the smashing. I have an egg pancake. Don't worry, I did not put a real egg. Well, I did to make it, but it's good. Now I'm gonna take the Easter bunny push out thingy into the pancake. This is the Easter bunny pancake, and this is the taco one. And this is a car one. I'm gonna just put the extras here and maybe taste test one. It's good. Wait. Good. I'm gonna go get some butter, so I'm gonna And don't mind my messy fridge. Now I'm gonna cut out some butter. Put this one right here. This one, the taco. It's a taco, people. Don't make fun of my tacos. Because butter piece. It's still good. No one's gonna taste it, so I'm just gonna taste it for me. I'm gonna get the big buttery piece that has. OMG, that tastes so good. I could eat this every day, Daddy. I love butter. The butter tastes good too. Thank you guys for watching. Serafina can bake it. Remember, smash that subscribe to my channel, and so you can be part of my baking community. Bye.